everyone, welcome to my channel, The Biology Key. Today I'm going to explain you a very important topic, which is the chemical substance. Chemical substance are all the substance which are made up of atom. Imagine this is a atom. These atoms are not found independently. If it is one atom, this will not exist. So, group of atoms come together, and these atoms together is known as a molecule. Okay, this is known as a molecule. Now, the chemical substance are basically of two types, and the two substances are pure substance and mixture. This pure substance are further divided into two types, which are elements, and the second one is compound. Now let us study what is an element. These elements are the substance which are made up of only one kind of atom. Take for example hydrogen. If there is a hydrogen atom, so only hydrogen atoms will come together to form a element. No other atom will be present along with this hydrogen. Are you getting? Along with hydrogen, you will not find oxygen attached to it. So, this is all about the element. Very common example of these elements are silver, gold, then aluminium. One more very important thing about this is that this element cannot be broken down into simpler substance. This element of hydrogen cannot be further divided or further broken down. Okay, so this is all about the element. Then the next topic is compound. This is totally different from the element. When these elements, more than two types of element come together, they form a compound. Take for example this hydrogen molecule. Along with this hydrogen molecule, there is one oxygen molecule. O stands for oxygen. So this is called as a compound. When more than two elements come together, they form a compound. And one more very important thing, children, to remember here is that this compound cannot be separated. When this hydrogen molecule and oxygen molecule comes together, they bind chemically. They form a bond which is chemical bond. Okay, and such a bond cannot be broken. Therefore, you cannot separate a compound. Very easy example of compound is H2O. This means water. Now, if you see, this hydrogen and oxygen are basically present in gaseous form. Okay, but when both of them combine together chemically, they form a water, and water is a liquid. Are you understanding? When these elements come together to form a compound, they loses their property. Their original property was they were gaseous in state, but when they combine together, they became liquid. So, the elements loses their original property and they form a different property when they combine and becomes a compound. This is another point which you need to remember very well. And this compound cannot be separated because they are chemically bonded. I hope you have understood this. After that, the third chemical substance is the mixture. What is a mixture? Mixture consists of two or more substances simply mixed together but not chemically combined. This mixture can be easily separated. Two or more substances are present in this mixture. For example, if we take sulfur, suppose we have taken, this is a bowl. In this bowl, we have added sulfur. Sulfur is in powder form. Okay, along with the sulfur, we have added few iron fillings. Iron fillings means the iron pins. Now, how can we separate this mixture? simply by attracting it with the magnet. If this is the magnet, North Pole and South Pole, if we bring this magnet towards this iron fillings, the iron fillings will get attracted towards it, and this is how the iron fillings and the sulfur will get separated. So such more than two substances which can be separated are called as mixture. Another common example you can take from your day-to-day life, like bhel, chuda, which you all eat. If you don't like chili, you separate it simply from a mixture. That is all about a mixture. So this was all about the chemical substance. So this was all about the chemical substance. I hope you have understood. In the next video, I will be explaining you about the atomicity, then the chemical symbols, chemical formula and valency. So stay tuned for my upcoming video. Do like my video and subscribe my channel for latest update. Thank you.